Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce our next speaker? Our next speaker is Dr. Kenny Lee. He is the head of JD e-commerce technology and big data, which lays the foundation for JD.com's retail business. His team focuses on developing cutting-edge e-commerce technologies and the framework for the development of front-end mobile applications as well as big data technologies. Dr. Kenny will speak about how technology reshapes retail. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to meet Dr. Kenny Lee. Once again, let me tell you about the program this afternoon. The program this afternoon is brought to you by DEPA in collaboration with The Next Web. The Next Web is an Amsterdam-based media technology platform that helps people get the most out of technology by bringing them together through extraordinary events and remarkable stories, and you can find out more information about them at thenextweb.comนี่ก็คือบรรยากาศนะครับของ Big Bang Stage ของเราในช่วงบ่ายวันนี้เรียกว่าเป็นวันแรกของการจัดงาน Digital Thailand Big Bang 2019 งานของเราจะจัดขึ้นตลอดทั้ง 4 วันเต็มๆนะครับวันนี้เป็นวันแรกจบวันสุดท้าย 31 ตุลาคมครับเราก็จัดกันที่ไบเทคบางนาแห่งนี้นะครับงานนี้จัดโดยสำนักงานส่งเสริมเศรษฐกิจดิจิทัลกระทรวงดิจิทัลเพื่อเศรษฐกิจและสังคมนะครับและลำดับนี้เราก็จะมาพบกับสปีกเกอร์ท่านต่อไปของเราครับสปีกเกอร์ท่านต่อไปจะบรรยายเป็นภาษาอังกฤษนะครับถ้าเกิดว่าท่านอยากที่จะใช้เครื่องแปลภาษาสามารถติดต่อกับทีมงานเพื่อรับเครื่องแปลภาษาได้ครับ And now ladies and gentlemen please join me in welcoming to the stage Dr. Kenny Lee ขอเสียงปรบมือให้ท่านด้วยครับ
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kenny Lee from JD.com. It's my pleasure today to share with you how technology is reshaping the retail, both online and offline. Retail has a very long history, but there were 3 most transformative periods. At the very early stage, mom-and-pop stores were popular throughout the United States. In 1962, the first Walmart store opened. These big box retailers were known for enabling the efficiency and the self-service. In 1995, Amazon founded. Since then, the e-commerce has been booming all over the world. Today, we're in a new stage of retail, omni-channel, which enables consumers to shop whenever and wherever they want. Customers expect more and more from retailers as time goes on. They want personalized experiences and also convenience and efficiency. Today, we find that the retail has 3 new trends. The first is fragmented shopping scenarios. Consumers want to buy everything conveniently via any channel, at any place, and any time. Second, personalized and interactive shopping experience. For example, customers want their shopping experience and the products to be personalized and interact with the online product, not just scrolling the text and the pictures like before. And we also found an increasing trend of digitalized offline retail. The offline stores are becoming smarter and more connected, and it can provide the customers with more unique experiences. This is where JD.com comes in and can help the traditional retail. Now, please let me introduce a little about JD.com. JD.com has been an early adopter in applying technologies into our business. Our founder started JD.com as a small shop in 1998 in Beijing, selling some electronics products such as CD writers. Today, JD.com is the largest retailer and internet company in China, and the third largest internet company globally by revenue, according to Fortune 500. We have 320 million annual active users across China, and our self-built nationwide logistics networks cover over 99% of China's population, and 90% of the orders can be delivered in the same or next day. It's amazing. In 2017, JD.com established an e-commerce joint venture. It's called JD Central, with our partner Central Group in Thailand. It's officially launched in 2018, and JD Central aims to provide high quality and 100% authentic products with fast delivery experiences to the customers in Thailand. So far, JD Central has more than 4 million users, and 40% of them are repeat users. And the logistics network covers 100% of Thailand's population, and 95% of the orders can be delivered in the same or next day in Bangkok. The order has increased 35 times year on year, and the fastest order can be delivered within 20 minutes. JD Central is so important to JD.com because we think the Southeast Asia market has a huge potential. And JD Central is also playing a key role to enhance the competitiveness of Thai SMEs, and it can also help the Thailand to raise the e-commerce infrastructure. As I mentioned before, there are 3 new trends for today's retail. I'm gonna introduce the first one, fragmented shopping scenarios. Nowadays, consumers are shopping in multiple channels, multiple scenarios, at any time and anywhere. So we call it boundaryless retail. At JD.com, we are realizing boundaryless retail strategy through technology innovations. Nowadays, our customers can shop any way they want, online or offline, via any devices such as smartphone, smart speaker, even smart TV. And let's have a look of the future of retail. This video may look fantastic, but in fact, a lot of them have been applied in our daily business. And second, I want to introduce a little bit about personalized and interactive online shopping. With the progress of technology, online e-commerce is becoming more and more interactive. In the age of 2G and 3G, we use the text and pictures to introduce our product. With 4G, the video become very popular. In the era of 5G, thanks to wider bandwidth and faster internet speed, the augmented and virtual reality can provide the users more interactive shopping experiences. As you can see from the right video, customers can see any angle of the luggage bag and even interact with it. They can open the luggage and see the detail inside, just like what they are trying in their real life. This technology is amazing, and it is also a reality now. We live in the age of big data. Tremendous amount of data generated every day. How to use data analysis to guide business decision-making is critical for retailers. As China's largest retailer, JD.com has high-quality e-commerce big data. It covers entire business circle, from marketing to user behavior to supply chain and even order fulfillment. Leveraging the big data, JD can provide our customers comprehensive data and create a huge value on providing customized shopping experiences. And at the same time, by using this data, we can provide our brands and manufacturers the right demands of the user and the market trends to help them to design the better products for the market and for the right customers. By using huge amount of data like user behaviors, reviews, likes, and transactions, we understand the customers even better than themselves. We're able to deliver a highly customized shopping experiences to different kinds of customers. And we can help the customers to quickly find the product they want. For example, you can see there are 4 groups of our customers. There are yummy mommy, businessmen, tech fans, office lady. Let's take tech fans for example. When they log in our application, we will recommend some digital products such as electronics devices, like a smartphone, like Internet of Things to them, because we know that they are interested in this kind of products. But for the other groups, they will see different homepage in our mobile app. So that's the personalization and customization which we can provide to our huge number of customers. As China's largest retailer, JD's consumer insights provide an invaluable resource to help brands bring new products to market. In the past, brands have to reach out to consulting company who conducts offline research for the brands before they develop a new product. But due to the limited data, this process cannot guarantee the product is appropriate for the market. And what's more, this process is time-consuming, which means sometimes it takes too long time. And it's not good for this fast-paced retail environment, because maybe you will miss the market opportunity. Big data and AI plays a critical role in JD's C2M process, allowing the company to analyze consumption trends consumer decision trees anymore based on our 320 million user data. And the process can take as little as just 3 months. And we provide support throughout the entire product life cycle, from consulting, development, testing, and sales, even to marketing. JD works with partners to roll out launch simulations, including creating a mock-up page on JD app, and to obtain the real feedbacks from the customers, such as clicks, browsing, data, and what kind of products they put to their carts. Here is an example. JD.com helped the Chinese hygiene products giant Vinda develop a package of paper towel that would directly meet consumers' need. Through analysis of consumption data and combined with AI algorithms, JD discovered that the young people, especially female customers, are the target users for these kind of paper towels. And they use paper towels not only to wipe counter or kitchenware, but also handle food. So it's indicating that the food safety is a very important feature to highlight. And we also found that the consumer prefer paper towel packaged in softer packs rather than rolls, because it's easier to handle when they are in the kitchen. Taking all of this into account, we worked with Vinda to design a 2-ply paper towel package, clearly marked as food safe and packaged in a brightly designed package to appeal our young consumers. JD also suggested the pricing strategy of this product, recommending a price between 30 to 35 yuan. It's about 130 to 150 Thai baht. And this price is so good for this kind of consumers. So the new product was very successful. The sales of this product takes half of the marketing share in this category on JD.com. And the people will wonder if it's more difficult for the offline store to compete with their online counterparts. From our point of view, we don't think so, even though e-commerce penetration has grown rapidly in China. But the data shows that it currently only takes less than 20% in China. That means the offline retail is still dominant, and the offline store still has a very bright future. But compared to online, the offline retail lacks of data and technology. So JD.com integrate the online and offline data and provide the solution for our offline partners to help them to enhance the digitalization of their business. Here is an example. We worked with Walmart store, and we integrate the inventory of the from JD.com and Walmart store. And when our customer placed an order in our platform, the AI-powered order management system will determine if there is a Walmart store nearby the customer. If it is, we will deliver the product through Walmart store directly, rather than the JD warehouse, which is far away. It can provide the best user experiences for our customers, because usually it only takes half hour to get the product. And also it can increase the sale of the offline store, because they can get extra orders from the online platform. This is how JD.com help the traditional offline store. And more, JD now provides a lot of smart solutions for store location and product location, smart operation, and smart marketing. The store location and product selection are based on such a lot of information such as surrounding business, the consumption trend, and the transport links, as well as detailed demographics and accurate profile of the target customers. For example, one of JD's offline partner, a high-end Chinese furniture retailer, saw particular success when it used JD's big data to understand the customer demographics in the area surrounding one of its outlets in Beijing. The surrounding population was found to have a larger than average proportion of highly educated female professions with the need of high-end lifestyle products. In order to boost the store's customer traffic, JD recommended the addition of 3,000 high-frequency but non-furniture SKUs to the store, including electronics, FMCG, small appliances, and even Legos. The addition of these products helped the store increase traffic with 30%. So this is how big data can make the offline store smarter. And we also provide some hardware solution for the offline store, including smart camera, interactive cloud shelf, tag technology, and AR try-on, which you can have a try in our booth over there. I will introduce the tag technology. It's just a sensor attached to our product. And once the customer picks up a product, all information about this product will be displayed in a tablet. And even you can see the reviews of the online customers. And it can help the customers to decide whether it really like it or not. And it can also increase the sales for the shop. But more importantly is that we can track the data about how many times this product has been picked up. And this data can help the shop to optimize the product selection and the placement. So the offline store becoming digitalized. And also with the AR try-on. Oh, it's very interesting. For the customers, they can try lipsticks, blush, eyebrow pencils virtually. And in the past, when the customers entered this kind of store, they try a lot of this cosmetics product. Sometimes their face will become rainbow. That means a lot of colors in their face. But with the AR, augmented reality technology, they don't need to be like that anymore. So this is how our new technology can help the traditional offline store to become more smart, much smarter. Over the past few years, JD.com has been focusing on creating the best experiences to make this happen. We have been relentlessly applying advanced technologies to our own business. As we are heading into the future, technology is reshaping every aspect of our life, not just the retail. In the future, we will open up our technologies to build a better life with our partners altogether. Thank you very much.